Is the government's ban on 500 and 1,000 rupee notes constitutionally valid? The Supreme Court has referred this question to a larger five-judge bench. The court also refused to extend exemptions on the use of old 500 and 1,000 rupee notes. Ashmit Kumar was in the courtroom and he's joining now with details. Ashmit, we also in fact understand the Supreme Court has stayed cases on all other courts. What are you picking up?
Indeed, this order from the Apex Court coming as music to the ears of the government. The Apex Court has clarified its position that as far as intervention is concerned, again, reiterating that they will not seek to intervene in any shape or form or to modify the demonetization to drive the way it stands as of now. They've also conceded to the prayer of the government. Now, the government was concerned given that a vast number of applications in double digits had been filed in various high courts, and that was the cause of concern. That, importantly, the Supreme Court has addressed by staying all proceedings before the various pending high courts and taking the charge upon itself for deciding this matter in its finality. The question now that it will be deciding on will not be any interim relief, will not be any modifications of the demonetization drive, but the very constitutionality. And that question will be addressed by a larger five-judge bench. It's referred to as a constitutional bench of the Apex Court, and that's the one that will decide. In fact, the Apex Court has gone to the extent of framing 9 questions of law, and these will be the 9 questions that will decide the fate of the demonetization and the legality of the demonetization drive. But as of now, in the interim, it's important again to clarify that the Apex Court has seen it fit to not intervene in any stage. In fact, the prayers that had been sought by various petitioners for extending the exemptions that had been allowed in various cases such as toll plaza, such as hospitals, such as petrol pumps, those exemptions that were dated in nature, the petitioners had sought an extension of that. The Apex Court again steering clear of that and making its position abundantly clear that the government, this is a policy issue, that the government is in charge, that it is at an implementation stage, and that it cannot allow any room further for extensions by a judicial means, and that the government should be the one taking charge. Back to you.
All right, Ashmit, thanks for joining in with those.